Fellas, what's good? I'm Big B and welcome to the Tej Hanley channel. Today we're talking about how to get the perfect skin for guys, aka clean, clear, smooth. Look, every guy wants soft, clear skin. It's more attractive and it's healthier for you too. Plus, it's much more achievable than you might think. Just follow this quality skincare advice and you'll have flawless skin in no time. First, and this one may come as a surprise to you, but you have to have a healthy skincare routine in place. You want an uncomplicated regimen that you can be consistent with every single day. You should be washing your face to get rid of dirt and grime, exfoliating to clean out your pores and remove dead skin cells, and moisturizing in the morning and at night to keep your skin hydrated and to protect it from the sun. Also, ensure you're getting a full 8 hours of sleep. While you sleep, your body goes into repair and regeneration mode, and that also applies to your skin. According to the Clinical and Experimental Dermatology's 2014 study, a lack of sleep disrupts your skin's natural healing process. This next one I can't say enough, but ensure that you are washing your pillowcases at least once a week. You've heard us mention this before, but it's extremely important for you to provide a clean space for you to lay your head each and every night. You don't want any grime, dirt, and or bacteria to build up and to cause pimples to arise, dry patches to appear, and oil to build up on your face. You should also consider lowering your daily sugar intake. The University of Buffalo found in 2000 that a diet high in sugars leads to the production of free radicals. So keep your skin clear and do your best to avoid sugars. This next one's a no-brainer, but drink plenty of water. You've likely heard us mention this before, but keeping your body hydrated, well, that's going to keep your skin hydrated. So if you don't already have one, start carrying a reusable water bottle around to ensure that you are drinking enough water throughout the day. For those of you bearded guys out there, or those who just shave, some of you may have experienced this as well, but razor burn, razor bumps, and ingrown hair can all take away from you having that perfect skin. So to get rid of some of that annoying post-shave irritation, try shaving along with the grain. Try pressing the razor down lightly and allowing the blade to do the work. And exfoliating every 2 weeks goes a long way in ensuring you get that clean, smooth shave. According to a 2015 study, keeping the skin exfoliated and moisturized helps reduce some of those unsightly and painful ingrown hairs and razor bumps. So hopefully you have what you need to be on your way to that clean, clear, smooth, perfect skin. All right, guys, that's what I have for you today. If you're looking to check out more videos from Tej Hanley, then click here. But if you want to see more about their products and what they offer, then click here. Till next time, I'll see you around.